Boy, this really sucks. I decided to cut the recording, and I got out and grabbed my phone, and the thing had stopped recording after I made only a couple calls. It looks like I went on to where 11 more, but they didn't get recorded. My SD card filled, my camera filled up. What a drag. I'm going to try to work a few more. I wanted to give a better demonstration, and the audio is awful. You guys probably can't hear it unless you wear headphones, but we'll try again. Blowzo's terrible at this, at the record and the ham radio. See what we can do. Ready for Blowzo? Here we go. CQ, 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 CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the air, CQ, 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 CQ Parks on the air, CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the air. This is November 8, November Kilo, November 8, November Kilo in Park K6705, over.
November 3, Romeo Charlie Whiskey.
Nice signal, November 3, Romeo, Charlie, Whiskey, from November 8, November Kilo, in Park K6705. You are 5 by 9 from the state of Michigan, over.
Yes, QSL, also 5'9", in the state of Maryland. Someone just moved up to 295. Great signal, thanks for the contact.
Yeah, I know, 73. Thanks for hanging in there, old man. I appreciate it. I'm recording a video for YouTube right now, and I forgot to look for contests before heading out today. 73.
73.
CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA. This is November 8, November Kilo, November 8, November Kilo, in Park K6705, Mid-Michigan, over.
Kilo Bravo Niner, Victor Bravo Romeo.
I think I copied, you're loud, but I've got QRM, Kilo Bravo Niner, Victor Bravo Romeo.
Roger, Roger. Kilo Bravo Niner, Victor Bravo Romeo. You're coming in like a 5'9" here into Wisconsin. Whiskey India.
QSL, thank you for the Whiskey India. Always fun to work Wisconsin. And man, boy, oh boy, do I have QRM right next door now. This wasn't a good idea. Thanks for the call, 73.
Yeah, roger that. I got it.
Kilowatt 4, Charlie Alpha Echo.
Here to try to tune right into you. So good luck on your activation.
Yeah, you're welcome, 73, old man. I heard Kilowatt Charlie 4. No, wait, Kilo 4, Charlie something Echo?
November 8, November Kilo, November 8, November Kilo. Kilo 4, Charlie Alpha Echo.
Kilo 4, Charlie Alpha Echo. You are 5'9 plus. You are 5'9 in Park K6705 in the state of Michigan from November 8, November Kilo.
Echo 5'9 in the clear, South Carolina. Thanks for 6705, 73.
Thank you, 73. QRZ. CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA. This is November 8, November Kilo. November 8, November Kilo in Park K6705, over. I believe I copied November 9, Foxtrot, India, November. Go ahead.
Kilo Bravo 9, Foxtrot, India, November 9, when the cross channel don't get you.
QSL, thanks for the call. You are also 5'9 from Park K6705 from November 8, November Kilo, 73.
Thank you for the 5'9". We're in Illinois, by the way, India Lima, 73.
73. Thank you for the great state of Illinois, QRZ. CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the Air, CQ POTA, CQ POTA. This is November 8, November Kilo. November 8, November Kilo in Park K6705. Hoping to copy you through the QRM. Go ahead. Couple more times. We'll try again. Couple more times. CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ, 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 CQ POTA. This is November 8, November Kilo. November 8, November Kilo in Park K6705, Holly, Michigan. Over. CQ, 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 CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the Air. CQ, 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 CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the Air. This is November 8, November Kilo. November 8, November Kilo in Park K6705, Holly, Michigan. Over. Last call. Last call. Last call. CQ POTA, CQ, 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 CQ Parks on the Air. CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA from November 8, November Kilo. November 8, November Kilo in Park K6705, Holly State Recreation Area, Mid-Michigan. Over.
Kilo 3, Mike Romeo Kilo.
Ooh, a big signal. Kilo 3, Mike Romeo. I cannot speak. Kilowatt 3, Mike Romeo Kilo. You are 5'9" plus 20 dB. In the state of Michigan in Park K6705 from November 8, November Kilo.
Roger, Roger. You're also about a 10 or 15 over here in south central Pennsylvania. Very good signal this way too. 73, and thank you for your activation.
And thank you, sir, for your patience and for trying to dig me out of the noise. I never checked. I had no idea that there would be this contest happening today. Before I left home, I didn't know. 73.
Yeah, no problem. You're way above the noise here, so 73, have fun.
Thank you. CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA. This is November 8, November Kilo. November 8, November Kilo in Park K6705, Holly, Michigan. Over.
Kilo Bravo 3, Whiskey Alpha Victor, Park to Park.
Okay, I recognize you, Carrie. Kilo Bravo 3, Whiskey Alpha Victor from November 8, November Kilo in Park K6705. You are, I'm going to give you a 5x8. I didn't look at the meter, but you're nice and clear. You are 5'8" in the state of Michigan from November 8, November Kilo.
Roger, Roger. You are 5959 into Kilo 6393. QSL?
QSL, the Kilo 6393, and I did look at the meter, and you are 10 dB over 9 from where I'm at. Thanks for working me, 73.
Roger, Roger. I have another operator here. Stand by for another part.
QSL. QSL, again with your call, low, please.
Charlie 3, Romeo
QSL, thank you for working me, guys. 73.
Have a great activation, 73.
QRZ from November 8, November Kilo in Park K6705.
November 2, Mike, X-ray.
November 2, Mike, X-ray. Nice signal. You're 5'9" in the state of Michigan in Park K6705, from November 8, November Kilo, over.
QSL, thank you for the 5-9. Yeah, you're at 5-9 here into central New Jersey by the Jersey Shore. Just put up a new end-fed half-wave today, homebrew, up about 50 feet. QSL?
QSL, I've done a lot of playing around and a lot of work with end-fed half waves with multi-tap. Ununs is my thing. And yeah, your antenna's working fine. It's doing you a good job. 73.
Excellent. Thank you for the 5-9. It's good to hear. Thanks for your activation, and stay safe out there. 73.
73, old man. QRZ.
Kilo 1, Fox, Juliet, Golf.
Okay, I heard a Kilo 1 Fox, but I heard a park to park, so I'm going to ask for the park to park again, please.
November 4, Victor, Golf, Echo, Park to Park.
Ending in golf, whoops, ending in Victor Golf Echo again. Yeah, I'm sorry, old man. I've got just too much QRM right now. Just too much QRM at the moment. Starting with, how about Kilo 1 Fox?
Yeah, that's Kilo 1, Fox, Juliet, Golf, Jay out of Connecticut. You are 5-9.
Thank you for the 5-9 from Connecticut. You're also 5-9 in the state of Michigan in Park K6705 from November 8, November Kilo 73. I'm going to work one more, and then I've got to hit the road before it gets dark and I get lost. And I need to finish my recording for YouTube here. If you guys want to see what you sound like, I'll be, look for my call on YouTube. You'll find me. So one more, QRZ from November 8, November Kilo in Park K6705, Holly State Recreation Area, Mid-Michigan, over. CQ POTA from November 8, November Kilo in K6705, over. Ooh, I think I got your call that time. November 4, Victor Golf Echo, I believe, again. Okay, guys. Boy, I really wanted to work him. I'm pretty sure it was November 4 Victor Golf Echo, but there's just so much QRM. And why, in God's name, I had my IPO set to amp 1. Whoops. Not smart. Not smart. I didn't change it after moving to 40 from 20 meters. Anyway, I'm calling it. Blowzo wonders if he should leave the door sounds in the video and just post it as is. Yeah, time to go home. Thanks for putting up with my for my low-level videos and ham operating, for that matter. 73, and be well.